Energy Fuels stock is trading around $12.97, rallying roughly 18 to 19%, with intraday action stretching from $10.81 to $13.01, and volume heating up at over 12 million shares. That kind of move tells us something meaningful just hit. Here's what's sparking the enthusiasm. Energy Fuels just produced its first kilogram of 99.9% pure dysprosium oxide at its White Mesa mill, a key rare earth element critical to permanent magnets. That positions the company to potentially begin terbium production by Q4 2025, bolstering its role in U.S. rare earth supply chains at a time when domestic production is strategic priority. They followed up with a strategic move, signing an MOU with Vulcan Elements to supply high-purity rare earth oxides for domestic magnet manufacturing, aiming to reduce dependence on China. If you're enjoying these live breakdowns, do me a quick favor. Tap that like button and subscribe to stay in the loop on stories like today's. Zooming out, Energy Fuels isn't just a uranium miner. It's evolving into a dual-stream resource player, balancing uranium and rare earths. Analysts still rate it a strong buy, though price targets signal some caution. $9.31 per share suggests a bit of downside ahead. Its 52-week range spans $3.20 to $12.99, so today's highs bring it back near multi-month peaks. On the macro front, the U.S. is again doubling down on nuclear as part of its energy mix, and that narrative, paired with Energy Fuels' growing rare earth footprint, makes them a compelling angle for both resource and energy sector watchers. Bottom line, Energy Fuels is having a moment of strategic relevance, delivering rare earth milestones, pushing domestic critical mineral ambitions, and riding uranium tailwinds. There's still volatility ahead, but today's breakout signals renewed investor focus on its evolving long-term position. If you'd like personalized, deep-dive stock analysis on Energy Fuels or any other ticker, consider joining my channel membership. It's where I share exclusive insights and tailored breakdowns you won't find anywhere else.